Hi everyone! Today's video is going to be how to make fiberglass door panels for your moto. So come along! The first step is going to be to measure our lower door panel area. And we're going to make it a little bigger so we can trim it down later. So, we're going to make it about 20 by 14. Sorry for the change in scenery, but it got a little windy out there. So we're going to do the rest of it in here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to lay out our wax paper like this. That's to keep the fiberglass mat from sticking to it. And you'll need 4 sheets just like this. We're going to lay this one down just like so. Now we need a pint of resin, and you need a 1/4 ounce of hardener to that pint of resin. Now we're going to mix these two together, and when we're all done mixing, it should turn into like a green color. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take our resin and our paintbrush, and we're going to go like this, and we're just going to start dabbing it on to our fiberglass mat, like so. So this is what it should look like when you have a nice even coat of your resin on your fiberglass mat. Now we're going to take our second layer and put it right on top of the first layer, like so. And then you repeat 2 more times until you have all 4 layers. Now that we have our 4 layers done, which looks like this, we want to take our roller and roll it this way and this way to make sure we don't have any air bubbles in it. So, we'll have to pick this video back up tomorrow because this will take several hours to dry. While the fiberglass mat was drying, I made a cardboard template of my door. Now that we have our cardboard template, we need to transfer it to our fiberglass like so. Then we're going to take our cutoff wheel and cut it all out. So now that we have it all cut out, I thought we'd see if it fit pretty good, and it does. So at this stage, some people can just go ahead and paint it if you want. But I think we're going to put some Bondo on it to make that nice smooth finish. And my husband's going to get that mixed up.
we got our body filler on there. All we have to do is just let it dry for a few hours. We'll do some sanding on it and give it a nice slick finish.
Sorry, we took a little break, so technically this is day 3. This is our first test fit since Chris did all the body work to it. So it looks pretty good there. So now we're going to make brackets and mount it to the moto. Now that we've got our brackets on, we're going to hit it with a coat of paint. And then we're going to come back and we're going to try to attach it to the moto. Here's the finished product. Just as strong as metal, but at a fraction of the price. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please think of hitting the like and subscribe button. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook and Instagram.